Hi, this is Jalin, Ashley, Alexis, and Marco. Our group will explain what glaciers are and the effects of them.
Glaciers are made up of falling snow. Over many years, it composes into a large thickness of ice mass. Glaciers begin to form when snow remains in the same area all year round.
Snow accumulates, compacts, and transfers into ice. As the glacier expands due to the accumulating weight of snow and ice, they will crush and erase core surface rocks and bedrocks. Scoring is one way and type of abrasion and creates many features.
Soon, when the glaciers retreat, leaving behind their freight of crushed rock and sand, they can create landforms. Some landforms that glaciers can create are hanging valleys, U-shaped valleys, horns, arêtes, and cirques.
Apart from the landforms left behind, glaciers themselves may be striking features of the terrain, particularly in the polar regions. Large amounts of loose rock and sediment incorporate with the movement of glacial ice by partial melting and freezing. Lakes and ponds may also be caused by glacial movement.
Kettles and lakes, when a retreating glacier leaves behind on Earth's ground surface chunks of ice, sand, and grains are decomposed in a tunnel at the base of form of a glacier by floating streams.
Erosion involves the abrasive action of the held rock and sediment held by ice on the surface underneath the glaciers. An outpouring glacier sediment will build up on a glacier and erosion will begin.
In summary, glaciers are an enormous mass of fallen snow. They create U-shaped valleys, hanging valleys, arrayed cirques, and horns. These landforms are created in alpine glaciers.
We hope that you learned about glaciers. Thanks for watching and listening to our presentation on glaciers.